What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I want to show you a fantastic strategy that you can use to make money online using YouTube Shorts and artificial intelligence, and how you can master uploading YouTube Shorts. Before any of you ask, yes, you can monetize your content doing this. And this is a really simple online model that you can use because the creators of this type of content will allow you to do this. I'll show you a great example of a channel already doing this. This is another example of a YouTube channel in the fitness niche, well, really an overall general fitness niche, and they getting hundreds and millions of views, 32 million, 26 million. If I come over to their shorts channel, their normal videos are getting 104K, 2.3 mil, 48K, 53K. All this YouTube channel does is redistribute existing content. They're not even using their own content, but they monetized and they're making money online off their YouTube channel, not only through ad revenue, but also through affiliate links, sponsorships, and various other deals that they use to monetize their content. All you need to do is come over to YouTube and search for a simple keyword such as top 10 men or women's workouts. Click on any one of these videos. For example, this one over here. Copy this link, come over to this fantastic AI tool that I've really been using the entire of 2023 and 2024 to produce my own YouTube shorts and short content. It will create you between 10 and 20 short videos generated from this longer term video that you can go and use to redistribute on your YouTube channel, Facebook Reels, and any other platform that you are busy using. There's a little bit more to this than simply just copying the videos onto YouTube. You also need to use the AI tool to regenerate the transcript for the video, and ultimately we are going to improve that video and work on that video to ultimately optimize it for the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reel algorithms. Without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video. You don't want to miss this one. This video is going to be packed full of value. As we discussed in the introduction of today's video, the first step that you need to go and do is come over to YouTube and go and search, for example, if you're using the health and fitness niche, top 10 exercises to do at home, top 10 exercises to do without gym equipment, top 10 exercises to do for women, for men, top 10 exercises to do on a vegan diet, whatever it may be. Any kind of like top 10 list is the type of video that you're looking for in this type of strategy. Okay, step number 2 is once you've found that video, you need to go and copy the YouTube link to that video. Come over to another tool called video.ai. Now, this is an online AI tool where you can go and process longer form YouTube videos into anywhere between 10 and 30 short videos that you can go and use for the short video platforms. So I'm going to use an example of one that I used in the previous video that I posted here on YouTube called 20 YouTube Growth Hacks in 2024. And I loaded this video into this tool, and take a look at what I did. I clicked on review clips, and after about 5 minutes of adding this YouTube video to this tool, it generated me a total of 18 YouTube shorts that I can now go and use on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. So it really gives me so many different content ideas in a ranking system from a score of about 60 to about 90, 90 being the best rated videos that have a higher potential or probability of going viral or getting more views. So that is really what this tool does, and it loads it into a beautiful template for you with captions done for you, with the portrait format it's already created for you, so you don't need to do any recording, any editing, no nothing. AI does everything for you. The next step you need to go and do is click on import video, paste the link of your YouTube video, click on start import, and it will import that video to this tool directly from YouTube. You can click on done over here, click on go to dashboard, and in about, I would give it 5 to 10 minutes tops, this video will be done processing, and you'll be able to access at least 10 to 15 short videos based on what this AI tool has created for you from this longer term video. In about 10 minutes time, this video is finally complete. Click on review clips, and it will load up a bunch of different short videos that has been created for you based on the longer term video, anywhere between 30 seconds and a minute long. Obviously the ideal length for a YouTube short, a reel, or a TikTok video. Alright, so I'm going to use the first video here, which has the highest score of 76, meaning it is the best probability video to go and post. So if I go and click play over here, listen to this.
Your next exercise is what I like to call up and overs, because we are going up and over. You're going to tap the floor, coming up and over.
It highlights the important topics or points that is spoken about in this video to ultimately capture the attention of the audience to refer them to the longer form video or any kind of upsell that you have. And this is ultimately where people are making so much money on short video platforms, is once you know how to make them captivating, to keep the attention and the watch time going of your video, to keep people coming back to your videos. This is all specific key points that the short video platform algorithms look for in order for a video to go viral, or in order for them to push out that video to more of an audience, ultimately reaching more people, reaching more sales. And this is what I'm busy teaching you here today, that you can do this all using artificial intelligence without having to create any of the content of your own. Once this video is complete, you can choose from multiple of your templates. It's still going to be loading more as time goes by. You can go and click on edit and download video. You can also choose from a bunch of templates that you can apply to your video. So I'm going to use this one over here, for example, ultimate body workout. We can then click on download video. We can make this in 1080p or 720p. Click on confirm, and this video will then download to your PC, ready for you to use. However, we're not done yet. There's still 1 or 2 steps that we need to finish. Okay, come over to Google and go and search video to transcript converter or whatever it is. I'm just going to use the happyscribe.com website over here. Click on convert video to text, click on my desktop, and go and upload the video that you've just downloaded. They've got 2 different options over here. They've got a premium and they've got a standard. The standard is more than fine because it's completely free. We don't need to pay for the premium. Click on create, give it about 2 minutes, and it will create or turn this entire video into an entire transcript or text for you. You can go and highlight your script, right click copy, then come over to ChatGPT. And you want to message ChatGPT the following: can you rewrite this similar? Okay, click on enter and then go and paste your entire script. Just remove the speaker options over here or the speaker dialog. ChatGPT has rewritten this entire script. Now, all we can go and do is go and right click, copy this entire script, come over to another tool called 11labs.io/speech synthesis. You want to click on task, text to speech. The settings, you can use various different voices that you want to go and use here. You can also click on play to play the template of that voice. I'm just going to leave this as is. Click on paste and click on generate the text to speech option over here, which will create a new voiceover file that we're going to go and edit into the original video that video.ai has created for us. Click on generate, and the reason that we're doing this is because our video is not an exact copy and paste of the original video, therefore making this content monetizable, which is why we use or put the step in the middle so that we're not really copying and pasting direct from YouTube, and therefore we are allowed to go and reproduce and post this content all over social media. Once this is ready, you can click on download over here. The option is behind my webcam, but there's a big download button, so click on download over here, and this will then download to your PC. The next step is you want to go and download any kind of free video editing software. I'm just going to recommend openshot.org as it's open source and free. There's no free trial. You can click on download for Windows, MacBook, or Linux, or whatever your operating system supports. In this example, I'm going to use Vegas Pro 20, which is similar to openshot.org, except it's a little bit more advanced, but this is all you need to know. Go and drag and drop your video that you've downloaded from video.ai. Okay, go and drag your voiceover, and all you want to go and do is delete the original voiceover. So I click Control U on my keyboard to separate the speed track or the soundtrack, or you can just mute the soundtrack, it doesn't matter. Once that is complete, click on File on your video editing software, click on Render, and you can go and save this as a video to your PC, ready to go and post. You can either upload this video to Dropbox or Google Drive, so you can access it on your phone, ready to go and post on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. Those are the 4 primary platforms that I recommend you go and use to repost this video that you've now created all over social media, as many platforms as possible, because you want to reach as many people as possible. But the trick to this entire strategy is not now just necessarily posting once or twice. You need to be creating content consistently every single day. You need to be showing the algorithm that you're a full-time content creator. So I recommend create a video like this. It takes 5 to 10 minutes out of your time in the day to go and make a video like this and post once every single day. And set a challenge for yourself. Set a rule for the next 30 days that you have to post every single day for the 30 days. And then after that, you can start to schedule maybe every second day, every third day, but it's really up to you. But the most important thing is to remain on a consistent schedule every single time that you post. And in the beginning, I recommend try and post daily, as that will show the algorithm and push your content more and more. Okay, so the last and final step of this entire strategy is to now go and monetize this type of content. Now, there's various different ways that you can go and do this. You can either get an affiliate product of ClickBank or a fitness program of ClickBank or any affiliate marketing website, which is really easy to do. So you can come over to clickbank.com. It's a free website where you can sign up. You can go become an affiliate for hundreds of different products in different niches, and this website has paid over $6.2 billion in commissions to all of its affiliates since it's existed. Okay, click on start here. If you have not got an account, I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've logged into your account, you can click on health and fitness. You can click on diet and weight loss, as that's what your content is about. And for example, there's tons of different products over here that you can go and choose. One of my favorites is the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program, simply because smoothies is something easy to understand. It's easy to make. It's something that people enjoy. And the smoothies are specifically designed to help you lose weight. So a lot of people buy this product, and also because it's not very expensive. So these are one of those products where you're going to not make a lot of money per sale, but you're going to get a lot of sales. So you can go and click on promote over here, click on generate hop link, and it will create your affiliate link to the landing page, which I'm going to quickly show you what that looks like to show you how fantastic and how natural this web page converts the audience for you. They've already got an entire $20 off coupon where this product only costs $27. And there's also further upsells later on in this funnel. The creator of this product has created a tailor-made sales video for your audience. So again, everything is completed for you. And this is where I want you to have a look and take note of the strategy that AI has creating all the content for you. The web page and affiliate product is already created for you. All you need to do is the effort of distributing the content, and that entire system will naturally connect and click together of distribution of content, finding the audience, and looping that back through your product. And this is exactly what a full-time affiliate business model is or consists of. Yes, the effort of posting every single day, but in today's era of 2024, AI has really simplified the process for a lot of us. Okay, so in today's video, I've given you a real good ton of gems that I want you to apply. But to end off today's video, I'm going to give you an entire free affiliate marketing course and also an entire free funnel building course that will teach you more necessary and handy high income skills in the affiliate marketing niche that you can use, which will teach you how to create funnel pages, email marketing campaigns, outsourcing high income skills, creating your own checkouts, and ultimately getting paid as an affiliate marketer. So I recommend go and choose one of these playlists on the screen over here, and I'll see you over there on the inside.